Hey guys, Victor Isibor here. First timers, you're welcome. I hope you find a reason to subscribe before the end of the video. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute. Like in the military, it's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. And someone reached out to me and said I should look at tlctrading.ai. Now, if you look at the website, top you see it's tlctrading.ai. All right. Real quickly, you see, they said elevate your crypto trading game with our AI-powered trading platform. I need you to pay attention to AI-powered trading platform. What AI means is artificial intelligence. That means it is not a human being that is doing stuff. Artificial intelligence is all about robotics. It's about a robot or an algorithm handling things and not human beings. So this is supposed to be an automated platform. And if you look at the website tlctrading.ai, that AI is short for artificial intelligence. All right. Now they say average monthly profits over the last 12 months is what? 15 to 30% monthly is what they are promising you. But don't forget, this platform is AI-powered trading platform. All right? Okay. Trade like crazy. That is the name of the website. All right? Trade like crazy. Now, they introduce themselves and very quickly they identify their niche. Crypto, arbitrage, futures trading, spot trading, scalping. Make sure you watch this video till the end so that you and I can make it make sense. That's when I'll give you my counterpunch. Without the counterpunch, your purpose of watching this video would be defeated. You're here to hear what my opinion is about this platform. So right now we're interacting with the website, and towards the end, I'll give you my counterpunch. Now, they said 15 to 30% monthly. All right? And I'm just scrolling through this website now. Here, they say 20 to 80%. All right? Now, they said the company consists of what? 20 traders. Trade Like Crazy is a company that consists of 20 traders. And it says that they are experts in crypto arbitrage, futures trading, spot trading, and scalping. Let me counterpunch. My brothers and sisters, at the beginning, let's go to the beginning. It's not too far away. Just be patient with me. These guys said that this is an AI-powered trading platform. See, when you are reviewing a website, be on the lookout for inconsistencies. When somebody is talking to you, they're giving you a piece of information and they are not being consistent. If you're going to lie, please have very good memory so that you will, be consistent with your lie. Now, they say they are an AI trading platform, artificial intelligence trading platform, algorithm-inspired trading platform, a platform that is operated by robots. That's what AI means. Okay? That is why they say the robot is the one that trades like crazy. Now, when we scroll down and you and I saw it, they are now talking about individuals, 20 individuals that are trading. Now, the question is, who trades the money? Is it AI or is it these 20 people? Okay, so these 20 people are the people that trades like crazy. Okay, now, who are these 20 people? We don't know. Now, for your information, from background check, Trade Like Crazy, the so-called CEO of Trade Like Crazy, has been alleged to be a Boris CEO. If you don't know what a Boris CEO is, maybe you should do your due diligence to find out who a Boris CEO is. A Boris CEO is a CEO who is picked randomly, who is hired, maybe an actor or an influencer. Maybe they hire me one day and you see me on the website and my name is Howard Webb. Okay? The name and the face are merged together and an individual is produced and is given a title to represent the company. As in the case of fintouch.io that we reviewed some time ago, the person that acted as the CEO of Fintouch is a popular actor. Okay? Is like a popular actor you know coming under a pseudonym and claiming to be the CEO of a company. So people are like, I know this guy. I watched his film yesterday. How come he's answering this funny name here? Yeah, that's who a Boris CEO is. Now, it's been alleged that the person they call their CEO here is a Boris CEO. Now, the inconsistency of claiming to be an AI-powered platform and also telling people now that you have some 20 traders that trades people's money. So, okay, it's no longer artificial intelligence anymore. Now, it is 20 people that are trading for this platform. Now, that is an inconsistency. For your information, the first website they were operating with was tradelikecrazy.com. That's where I am now. You can see tradelikecrazy.com. Okay, this website showed up sometime around last year. All right, so we do not know what happened that made them to abandon this particular website. Then they now go and create tlctrading.ai. Now, the TLC, of course, is short for Trade Like Crazy. All right, so you're seeing this tradelikecrazy.ai. Okay, from tradelikecrazy.ai to TLC. Now look at their packages. They have $25, $50, and up to $2,000, up to $5,000. Yeah, and the plan is they want to give you 300%. Okay, of your money as profits. Now, when you make 300% as your package, then you will have to reinvest. Okay, so that should take you at the rate of 15 to 30% monthly. That will take you a while. Okay, for you to get 300%. Yeah, it's going to take you several months. Now, let me count a punch. You're going into a platform that wants to give you 300%. That's like 3x your money. 300%. And they're paying you 15 to 30% monthly. It's going to take you several months. Now, how long do websites like this last? What are your chances of breaking even? Are you going to realize your money even before they disappear? Now, these are questions that you need to ask yourself. Then another very important question is, why did they abandon tradelikecrazy.com? All right, tradelikecrazy.com, and they now went to tlctrading.ai. This particular domain was registered sometime around March. So what happened with tradelikecrazy.com that led to the migration to tlctrading.ai? Another thing that you should know very quickly is that this is custodial. Custodial. What does custodial mean? Custodial means that the trading capital involved in this business, you hand it over to them. You're sending your money to them. And when people have custody of your money, it means that you no longer have access or custody. It means that you are now at their mercy. It means that they are now the ones to tell you when you can withdraw and when you cannot withdraw. That means that you give them all the powers. And now, with a Boris CEO whose existence is shrouded in doubt and misery, what if they disappear? What if they now migrate from this tlctrading.ai to another website, maybe tlccc.ai? Now, the question is it AI that does the trading or those 20 people? Now, the question is, if, for instance, you lose money to this website now, and somebody asks you, where did you lose your money? You say, I went to invest my money in tradelikecrazy.com or AI. They'll be like, you should have looked for a website that does not trade crazily. A website that trades sensibly. Why did you go and put your money in Trade Like Crazy? Now you have lost your money crazily. Please stop giving your seed, your capital to people. If it's a crypto trading platform or a forex trading platform, it can be non-custodial. It can be what? Non-custodial, meaning your money remains in your wallet. Your money remains in your wallet. Now, this is the robot. This is the artificial intelligence that wants to trade your money. And via API, via what they call API. That robot or algorithm is connected to your wallet and it is trading your money. All the whole trading takes place in your wallet under your supervision. You have 100% unrestricted access to your money. You can disconnect this API at any point in time. Nobody is going to come and tell you what happened to your money. You can monitor your money right in your wallet of exchange. You know what happens to your money. When you make money, you know. When you make losses, you know. You're not waiting for reported speech from anybody. That is the way to trade in the markets. That is the height of transparency. And that is why I am all about non-custodial. Don't give your money to anybody. Anybody who knows they know how to trade, let them come into my wallet and trade my money. I have the password. I have control over withdrawal. They cannot take away my money, but they can trade with it. Such a technology, it exists. So why do you want to give your money to anybody if you have such a technology? These guys say that they are trading crypto, so why do they want custody of my money? Bars. Okay? Application programming interface. With the API, you can connect an algorithm to trade your funds safely in your wallet where you have all the control. So why do they want custody? Why do they want custody? They should tell us. And again, if these guys can make what they claim they can make, all right, they claim that they can make between 15 to 30% on a monthly basis, and they say they have 20 traders. These 20 people, is it that they love the world so much that they left their families and loved ones behind, asking the whole world to bring money? Let's be trading for you. I'll be giving you 15 to 20%. Why can't they, each of those 20 people, sell their family houses, sell their cars, raise money, those 20 of them, lock themselves inside one room and be printing 15 to 30% of their money monthly, quietly, without telling anybody? Why did they go and create a compensation plan and create a website and asking the whole world to bring their money? Let's assume that they don't even have properties to sell. If they approach a bank and they can convince the bank through proven track record that they can generate 15 to 30% monthly, banks will give them loans without collateral. Let them approach the banks. Let them approach the hedge funds to get the money. Why create a website and you are offering guaranteed range of returns on a monthly basis? And at the same time, you want to take custody of the money so that when you're tired, you can run away with everybody's money and shut down the website or abandon the website. The way tradelikecrazy.com was abandoned and they migrated to tlctrading.ai. Guys, if you're looking for a non-custodial way of making money, non-custodial, your capital remains with you, shoot me a DM. I don't recommend this at all. I don't. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. It's bye for now.